Welcome back, dear students. After learning about the meaning of small industries and the role of small industries in the development of rural India, now in this video, we learn about how the government is providing help to develop these small scale industries in our nation. Let's focus upon this now. Government assistance to small industries and business units is divided into two parts. One is incentives and the other one is institutional support. Incentives are the help in the form of finance. For example, providing free water supply, electricity at concessional rates, tax rebates or tax holidays. These are all incentives, but these incentives are not in syllabus. So we learn about the second type of help, that is institutional support. Now there are many institutions which are providing the help to the small scale industries in our nation. These institutions are, out of these institutions, only two are there in our syllabus. We'll be learning these two. One is NSIC, other is DIC. In this video, we learn about the help provided by National Small Industries Corporation to the small scale industries, that is NSIC. There are various support measures and programs meant for promotion of small and rural industries. The schemes we will be learning in the coming video. In this video, let us see how NSIC is supporting. National Small Industries Corporation was established in the year 1955. It was incorporated, it was established to promote, aid and foster the growth of small business units in India. Promote means to grow. That is small scale industries को बढ़ाना, उनको grow करना, उनकी help करना, उन्हें encourage करना ताकि वो और ज़्यादा grow करें. Because yesterday in our previous video we learned that these small scale industries, they are a major part of employment. Almost 95% people are earning income through small scale industries. So it becomes necessary for the government also to provide them support so that these may be encouraged, these may be developed further. NSIC focuses on commercial aspects of the following functions. Commercial means dealing with money matters and helping out to earn more and more profits. Supplying original and imported machines on higher purchase terms. So it is maximum times it is not possible for the small industries to purchase imported machinery, to purchase original machinery. This NSIC, it supports these small scale organizations so that these may be able to purchase the machines on easy terms and basis at reasonable rates on higher purchase basis, that is in installments. So NSIC उनकी help करती है. NSIC is that corporation जो कि help कर रहा है small scale industries को ताकि उन्हें original या imported machinery, जिस type की भी machine उन्हें चाहिए वो machine उन्हें installment पर available करवाई जा सके. Secondly, obtaining, supplying and distributing original and imported raw material also. Now machine only will not do, machine only is not enough. See, it provides imported and original machinery. But is this machinery enough without raw material? No. So who will provide the raw material? These small scale industries are helped out by NSIC, National Small Industries Corporation. As this corporation, it helps in supplying and distributing original raw material also to these small scale industries. So machines are also made available, and secondly raw material is also made available to the small scale industries by NSIC. Let us further see what else is done. NSIC focuses further on exporting the products of small enterprises and developing their export worthiness. See, small scale industries, they are already investing, they have already invested very less of amount, and they are not economically in such a condition to take their products to the external market, that is to the international level. So NSIC provides this support also. It helps in exporting the products of these small industries and developing their fame in the international market, developing their credit worthiness in the international market. Also mentoring and advisory services. NSIC helps out these small scale industries by providing them any advice if required and mentoring them, that is guiding them in case any help is needed by these small scale industries. Serving as technology business incubators. Now, indulging technology in production will support these small scale industries by developing the capital intensive techniques of production for them. See, maximum small scale industries are labor intensive. But if we involve technology along with labor, that will be more fruitful, because once the technology is included, once the modernization of such small units takes place, they will further develop the standardized production, they will develop quality products, and they could easily enter the international market. NSIC also helps in generating awareness on technology upgradation, building technology, software technology parks and technology transfer centers, so that this NSIC could easily support in converting them to capital intensive techniques of production, and moreover to support them for better economic conditions. NSIC implemented a new scheme of performance and credit rating for small industries. Now, how this is done? Performance means how the small scale industries are performing. This will further lead to, if they are provided with the credit rating, if अगर उन्हें कोई stars provide किए जा रहे हैं, if they are given any such specific designation, तो वो performance के बेस पर होगा. और performance कब improve होगी? जब वो आपस में एक दूसरे से compete करेंगे. So this helps in increasing the competition among the small scale industries, and further government helps them in credit rating. This scheme aims at sensitizing the small enterprises about the need for credit rating. क्यों credit rating करनी है? There is a need. Why? So that they could further compete in the domestic market, and after that this leads to entering into international market. अपने देश में अपने ही कॉम्पिटिटर्स के साथ वो compete कर सकें, और compete करेंगे, बेटर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स प्रोवाइड करेंगे कंज्यूमर्स को, तो अपने आप क्रेडिट रेटिंग आएगी, अपने आप कस्टमर्स की क्रेडिट वर्दीनेस इंप्रूव होगी, जिससे कि वो ना सिर्फ अपने देश में compete करेंगे, बल्कि वो दूसरे देश में इंटरनेशनल मार्केट में भी compete करने के लायक बनेंगे. Encouraging the small industries to maintain good financial track record. Obviously, if more and more encouragement is given to these small scale industries, they will help out, they will be able to earn more and more income, more and more profits, they will be able to generate more employment opportunities, and this will lead to improvement in the standard of living of the people also. This scheme helps in ensuring a higher credit rating for the units to enable them to obtain finance for working capital and investment requirement. Now see, हमने क्या देखा था कि NSIC is supporting small scale industries by providing them machinery, good quality original machinery, imported machinery, by providing them not only the machinery but raw material also. But this NSIC also supports by providing them by helping these small scale industries to become the technology incubators also. तो जब टेक्नोलॉजी भी इन्वॉल्व हो जाएगी, बेटर रॉ मटेरियल ओरिजिनल मिलेगा, अच्छी मशीन मिलेगी, तो उनको पैसे की ज़रूरत है. दिस फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट, फाइनेंशियल हेल्प will also be provided by the NSIC to small scale industries. Now students, just see and just analyze, just focus. Is it possible for one single unit, one single corporation, National Small Scale Industries Corporation, is it possible for this single corporation to handle the entire monetary problems, handle the entire machinery problems or raw material problems of the entire nation? In our previous video, we learned that small scale industries are contributing 95% of the employment of our nation. तो क्या ये 95% employment को एक अकेला NSIC अपने आप हैंडल कर सकता है? No. So therefore, district industries corporations were established, but we'll be learning in the coming videos. In the next video, we will focus upon what are the schemes provided by NSIC and how is it helping out the small scale industries. Thank you.